what is task 3, and we will task 3 says creating effective visuals. So in this TCS virtual internship given by Forage, in this Forage site, you will get all the internship, virtual internship. So we are solving the task 3 of this virtual internship. And task 3 says, okay, here is a task. In this task, you will create the visuals around 4 of the questions that the CEO and CMO have requested. You can use either Tableau or Power BI to create visuals. And they also provide the resources. These are the resources. You can download your Power BI and Tableau from your. You have 14 days free trial. So in Tableau, so I'm doing visualization in Tableau. This is a data set they have given. You can download this data set by clicking here, download file, save as online data set 3, 3 and save. Now, let's save your data. Now let's move to questions. For data cleanup, they have given 2 conditions. Create a check that the quantity should not be below 1 unit, and create a check that the unit price should not be below $0. So here, before the visualization, you need to clean up your data. So you already downloaded your data from here. And let me share my Tableau. Here I have already make so I'm taking new file. Let me close this. So, hi everyone. In this video, we will make one project, task 3 of data visualization internship, TCS from Forage internship, and we will see what is task 3, and we will task 3 says creating effective visuals. So in this TCS virtual internship given by Forage, in this Forage site, you will get all the internship, virtual internship. So we are solving the task 3 of this virtual internship. And task 3 says, okay, here is a task. In this task, you will create the visuals around 4 of the questions that the CEO and CMO have requested. You can use either Tableau or Power BI to create visuals. And they also provide the resources. These are the resources. You can download your Power BI and Tableau from here. You have 14 days free trial. So in Tableau, so I'm doing visualization in Tableau. This is a data set they have given. You can download this data set by clicking here, download file, save as online data set 3, 3 and save. Now you will save your data. Now let's move to questions. For data cleanup, they have given two conditions. Create a check that the quantity should not be below 1 unit, and create a check that the unit price should not be below $0. So here, before the visualization, you need to clean up your data. So you already downloaded your data from here, and let me share my Tableau. Here I have already make so I'm taking new file. Let me close this. So I'm sharing my screen to okay. So to Tableau. Now here you can continue trial. This is your Tableau interface, and here now we will connect the data. Click on connect to data from Microsoft Excel. This is our data set. I have renamed it to online data set 3. Open. Now your data set started loading. It will take some time. Okay, your data is updated automatically. Loaded now successfully. Here is the data, invoice numbers to for description, quantity, invoice date, unit price, customer heading, country. Let's start with cleaning. So here for cleaning, you need to click this drop down button in unit price, then select create calculated field. Here, instead of calculation 1, you need to rename it as revenue. Revenue is equal to unit price multiplied by, again, square bracket and quantity. Tab, click on revenue is equal to unit price multiplied by quantity. Click on OK. So your new column is ready as a revenue. Now we need to filter. Go to filter, add filter, click on add. Now your first condition is quantity should not be more than 1. So click on quantity. Okay. Go to at least and put 1 here. Again, okay. Then add another filter. Select unit price. Okay. Go to at least. Your unit price should not be more than 0.001. So 0.00001. Okay. Okay. So your data is now clean. Now let's start with visuals. Go to sheet 1. And your first question is, let me share. First question says, the CEO of the retail store is interested to view the time series of the revenue data for the year 2011 only. He would like to view granular data by looking into revenue for each one. The CEO is interested in viewing the seasonal trends and wants to dig deeper into why these trends occur. This analysis will be helpful for the CEO to forecast for the next year. So here the CEO wants data for only year 2011. So let's Move to our Tableau and start. Take your revenue to, no, before that you need to select a chart because we want our data month wise. So select line chart will be better. Take your revenue and drag it to row column. Then your invoice date. Here's your invoice date. Take it to column. Then click on this drop down button. Click on filter because you want data for 2011 only. So deselect 2010 and select 2011. Select OK. So now again, click on this filter button, go to month. So you will see your data chart is ready from January to December. Now we need to add some labels here. So take this revenue and drag it here. Click on here and click on label. So the number also appear. Now we need to format this numbers. Okay, you need in dollar sign. So click on here, this drop down button. Click on format number. Click format, go to number section. Click currency custom. Then this is okay. Decimal places is to negative value is okay. Display unit should be in millions and prefix should be dollar. So select dollar. Okay. So and you need to format this. So format, go to format workbook to date lines and put it to 0%. And now your chart is ready. Here you can see your data by month from January to December. And you need to rename this sheet. So right click here, edit title, revenue, and give a heading, revenue by month for the year 2011. Select this, click on B, bold, center alignment, OK. So your first question is solved. Now moving to next question. Let me share. Next question is the CMO is interested in viewing the top 10 countries which are generating the highest revenue. Additionally, the CMO is also interested in viewing the quantity sold along with the revenue generated. The CMO does not want to have the United Kingdom in his visual. Okay. Now we want top 10 countries, in your visual. So again, you need to share. Go to next sheet, sheet number 2. Now select bar chart and you want revenue by top 10 country, right? So for that, we need to take revenue in rows and call country in columns. Okay. You can see all the countries appear from Australia to United Kingdoms. But you need top 10 countries. So click here, drop down, filter, country by field. 10 is also top. Select top here, 10. Okay. So you can see you have top 10 countries here. Now, but you need to remove United Kingdom as the CMO does not want to see United Kingdom. So select this bar, United Kingdom bar, click on right click and click on exclude. So now they also want to see revenue by quantity. So take a quantity column In the rows, here we have two charts. One is revenue and one is quantity. Country by revenue and country by quantity. So select combine chart to look better. Here we have combined chart. So here you can see the country comes alphabetically from Australia to Switzerland. We need to, if you don't want this grid line, you can remove, you can format it as you call. Now rename this format workbook horizontal grid line. We can see it is already removed horizontal grid line. You can, if you want to see, you can see the entire view like this. It is look, it's better. Now you can rename, click on here, right click, rename this chart as top 10 countries by revenue and their quantity. Top 10 countries by revenue and their quantity. Okay. Select, click on B. Okay. Okay. Your chart is ready. Question number 2 is also solved. Moving to next question. Let's see what is the next question. The question number 3 says the CMO of the online retail store wants to view the information on the top 10 customers by revenue. He's interested in visual that shows the greatest revenue generating customer at the start and the gradually declines to the lower revenue generating customer. The CMO wants to target the higher revenue generating customers and ensure that they remain satisfied with their products. Okay, so let's start visualizing. Question number 3. So insert sheet number 3. Here we want revenue by customers. So in new sheet, select this automatic bar chart and revenue to column, drag revenue to columns, customer ID to groups. Here you have a null value, so click here, filter, and in general, uh, select from list, select null. Okay. Now again go to customer, edit filter. You only need top 10, so select by fill, top 10. Okay. And you want in descending order. So highest customer, click here. So you can see here filter out your data. It's for top 10 customers, highest to lowest, data value for data labels, drag revenue here, click here, give labels. You can see the value also appears. Then right click on x-axis. You don't need edit x-axis. Now you can exclude. Okay, that's it. Here now rename top 10 customers by revenue. You can rename this sheet, edit title, top 10 customers by revenue. Select this whole line, click center alignment. Okay. Now question 3 also solved. If you want, you can remove this. With none. So reset. Now your x-axis has removed. You can see what happened. Okay. Let me delete this and we'll make a visuals again. Take revenue, zeros column and customer ID. So revenue to columns. And so that bar graph and customer ID to customer. Okay. Now then you need to filter out, edit filter. You need only top by field, top 10, select OK. View as an entire view and you can see descending order. Now you have top 10 customers. Rename this sheet. Now before that you need to add revenue data labels. Like here revenue. Click labels. So this will come. Rename this title as top 10 customer by revenue. Turn customers now. Select over bold. Now moving to fourth question. Yes, revenue by month, revenue by countries, and a quantity. Top 10 customer by revenue. Now in and now select one more slide. In this, we will solve Number four, question number four. It says the CEO is looking to gain insights on demand for their products. He wants to look at all countries and see which regions have the greatest demand for their products. Once the CEO gets an idea of the regions that have high demand, he will initiate an expansion strategy. Will allow the company to target these areas and generate more business from these regions. He wants to view the entire data on a single view without the need to scroll in over the data points to identify the demand. There is no need to show data for the United Kingdom, as the CEO is more interested in viewing the countries that have expansion opportunities. So here also they don't want UK data. So for that you need to crop, you need to select a bar chart and select revenue to rows and country to fields. Okay, and change it from bar to map chart. Okay, select United Kingdom. Okay, select the bar only because we need to exclude United Kingdom. Right click on United Kingdom and exclude it. Okay, so here United Kingdom get excluded. Now, you can do excluded, and here yes, European countries are select map chart. Now you can change the chart to map. Okay, you can select this map. Okay, now you can see the most sales done in European countries like Netherlands, France, Germany, and the least sales done in countries like Saudi Arabia. And here, South Africa, Brazil. This is how you can see. And we can rename this sheet by giving name revenue by country. Select bold and OK. So here we have solved all the problems which they have asked. Passport. Now you can save this file. You can publish also this file and share also this file. And after downloading, you can upload this file. I will show you. After saving this file, you can upload here and complete your task 3. Thank you. That's it for today. And for task 4 solution, I have already made a video. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. Thank you.